Good morning. I know that you're more than likely celebrating Memorial Day weekend, so be relaxed and trust in God's love for you. I love the idea that's presented today. Paul had a vision, and the people of Macedonia asked one thing only: please come and help us. We have to have a vision of people asking us to help them. Are they in your neighborhood? Are they in my neighborhood? Are they actually in our church? Do I look out and see people who are literally crying out for some kind of reassuring help? Maybe it's a family crisis. Maybe they have to move somewhere. Maybe it's a worry about children. Maybe it's a worry about health. Lately, we've had lots of those issues. But we must be a community of love who operate out of a vision. And our vision is help. Our vision is reassuring. Our vision is to be caring and loving because we live in that gift and want to share it.